Hello my friends, this is Bill McCoy and today I bring you the unboxing of this DJI mic that I will be using, this Pocket 3 that I'm filming it, so in box, directly from DJI. What is in box? It's of course a receipt, a piece of plastic and the box. Oh, my cat, he wants to come to the garden, but not now. Oh, so put the plastic inside and oh, so there comes a user manual with some stuff, some silica gel, some blah blah blah, and this little pocket DJI, probably good quality, I don't know. Okay, so inside of the pocket there comes a box, there comes some accessories. This is the wind dead cat, and this is the other wind dead cat, and of course another silica gel, a USB-C cable, and a cable, 90-degree cable for your camera. Press to unlock, you remove this sticker and you press to unlock, and inside there is these tiny microphones. They are wonderful. Another microphone, and the receiver is so small, it's wonderful, I love it. And there is an adapter for Lightning, iPhone, and an adapter for probably Android. You see USB-C. Of course you can connect these microphones directly into your phone. That's it. Now I'm doing the rest of the unboxing with the already with the one of the mics installed. There's a little bit of wind. I will install the dead cat fur. Yeah. So you have the microphone. Is very small. It's wonderful. It has the input. It has the audio capsule, the linkings, the power, the recording USB-C. Is very nice. And the wind shield goes into the plug. You press it and that's it. It seems like a minion, black minion. Yeah, this is a black minion. Yeah, so cute. So let's remove this hair from the minion. I'm going to install. Okay. Now you are listening to the audio of the DJI Mic 2 going to the directly into the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. And what I really love about this is really small, the receiver, and you have a cold shoe to install into your camera, and you have this here that you can install a connector for your iPhone or for your Android phone, and you can easily wire this into any phone. Of course, you can, as far as I know, you can connect it directly from the transmitter to your phone, and that's it. This is amazing. This is so small. I love small things to work. So that's it. Thumbs up. Bye bye. Please subscribe.